in. You are going to mentally move yourself into this gorgeous home. Come take a look. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a snack command center. I mean, look at this island. How large do you think this is? So this gas fireplace is something that the owners added when they built this home, and not many of the homes in the neighborhood have one. So I wonder if they have any marshmallows though. Lake Wilborn is more than just a community. It's a full-on lifestyle upgrade. We're talking miles of scenic trails, resort quality pool and clubhouse, and a private lake that is just begging for a kayak selfie. I hope y'all have enjoyed our tour today, but it's time for me to go hunt down those marshmallows.